The 50-30-20th rule is a game changer for managing your money. It's simple, effective, and easy to follow. Let's dive in. Here's how it works. Divide your income into 3 parts. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for savings or paying off debt. Sounds simple, right? Let's break it down further. 50% for needs. Needs are the essentials. Think rent, groceries, utilities, transportation. The things you must have to live. Ask yourself, do I need this to survive? If yes, it's a need. But be careful, sometimes wants disguise themselves as needs. A basic phone plan is a need. A top-tier plan with unlimited everything? Probably a want. If your needs take up more than 50%, it's time to cut back. 1. Can you find cheaper housing? 2. Can you shop smarter for groceries? 3. Could you save on transportation costs? Small changes can make a big difference. 30% for wants. Wants are the fun stuff. This is where life gets exciting. Dining out? A want. Netflix subscription? A want. That new gadget you've been eyeing? Definitely a want. Wants are important. They bring joy and balance to your life. But staying within 30% is key. A tip? Prioritize your wants. What makes you happiest? Spend on that and skip the rest. And don't forget, small joys can be just as satisfying. A picnic instead of an expensive dinner. A movie night at home. It's about enjoying life without overspending. 20% for savings and debt. This is the part that builds your future. Savings can mean an emergency fund, or retirement, or investing. It's your safety net and your growth plan. Debt repayment fits here too. High interest debt is a financial trap. The faster you pay it off, the better. Start small if 20% feels hard. Even 5% is progress. Over time, aim to save more. Pro tip? Automate your savings. Set it and forget it. Your future self will thank you. Why does this work? The 50-30-20th rule is simple. That's its power. You don't need to overthink. The structure does the heavy lifting for you. It's also flexible. Whether you make a little or a lot, the percentages adapt. And most importantly, it helps you avoid overspending while still enjoying life. How to start? Ready to try it? Here's how to begin. Step 1. Calculate your after-tax income. That's your starting point. Step 2. Track your spending for a month. Every dollar. Write it down. Step 3. Sort your expenses into needs, wants, and savings. How do they compare to the 50-30-20th breakdown? Step 4. Adjust. If needs are too high, look for ways to save. If you're not saving enough, cut back on wants. It's all about balance. Quick tips for success. 1. Automate savings and debt payments. 1. It's easier to stick to. 2. Use cash for wants. 2. When it's gone, it's gone. 3. Review your budget monthly. 3. Things change, and that's okay. Final thoughts. The 50-30-20th rule is a guide. It's not set in stone. Adjust it to fit your life. But the goal stays the same: live within your means, enjoy the present, and secure your future. Start today. Track your expenses. Apply the rule. Watch your finances transform. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share. Let us know in the comments how you're using the 50-30-20th rule. See you in the next video.